You've done incredibly well, and I'm so proud of you all. Do you know what Humanitas means? Humanitas means enlightenment. It means to go to the next level, to rise higher. And our grade 5, 6, and 7 are ready to rise higher, to go to the next steps in their journey. I'm talking specifically to the grades who are leaving now to go to a new building, which is very close to where we are right now. In August, when you will come, you will be going there. And you've made some incredible memories in the Purple Gate. So can we all say a big thank you to all the teachers, Ms. Jumana, Sir Josefa, the leadership, everyone, the MS, the Chokidar, the Ayas, everyone for taking such good care of all of you. I'm so happy to see all of you knowing the 5 C's so well. And when you move to Humanitas, you will need these 5 C's to guide you. So remember the 5 C's as you leave this building today and embody them. All right? So a huge, big congratulations to grade 5, 6, and 7. Can we all have a big round of applause for them? And I'll see you in August in the new building. It's going to be a lot of fun. We'll be working harder, studying more, playing more, be more disciplined, more responsible, more organized, and it's going to be so worth it. Thank you so much, everyone, and I wish you all a beautiful summer break. Get some rest, play a lot, read books, be kind to each other, and do good. Love you all. Thank you.